If you think you're smart, then today's 3 questions will challenge you. 95% of people get them wrong. Let's see if you can answer them correctly. Let's begin. When was Oxford University founded?
3, 2, 1.
1096 CE. What is the graduation hat called?
3, 2, 1.
Mortarboard. Which is the largest university in the world by student enrollment?
3, 2, 1.
Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU.
If a plane travels at 600 kilometers per hour for 2 hours, how much distance will it cover?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1,200 kilometers. If you have 3 red balls and 2 blue balls, and you randomly pick one ball, what is the probability of picking a red ball?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
3/5. If the code for Apple is BQPMF, what is the code for orange?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
PSBOHF. If a triangle has sides 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters, what is its area?
3, 2, 1.
6 centimeters square.
Which is the oldest university in the world?
3, 2, 1.
University of Al-Qarawiyyin. In which country is Harvard University located?
3, 2, 1.
United States.
How many answers did you get right? Tell me in the comments so we can see if you're in the top 5% of smart people. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing quiz videos every day.